Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a wise and kind emperor who was growing old. He felt it was time to choose a successor. Instead of picking a prince or a minister, he decided to test something more important: honesty. The emperor gathered all the children of the land and announced, "I will give each of you a seed. Plant it carefully and bring me your plant in 1 year. The one who grows the best plant will become the next emperor." The excitement in the courtyard was palpable as the children eagerly accepted their seeds, dreams of being emperor dancing in their eyes. Among them was a little boy named Ping. He couldn't wait to plant his seed. Every day he watered it and watched with hopeful eyes. But as the weeks turned into months, he was disheartened. Heartbroken, Ping noticed the other children proudly displaying their tall, green plants. Yet he chose honesty over deceit. On the day of judgment, he took his empty pot to the palace, feeling nervous but determined. When the emperor saw Ping's pot, he asked what had happened. Ping, with a heavy heart, explained that he did his best but nothing grew. The emperor smiled, revealing that all the seeds were boiled and could not sprout. Because of his honesty, Ping was crowned the next emperor, for he had shown that true growth comes from truthfulness. The kingdom cheered as Ping, the honest boy, took on his new role, reminding everyone that honesty is the best policy.